Hi there, I'm Ahmed Jadid. I'm the Managing Director of A&H Building Designers. I'm accredited by the Building Designers Association of Australia to provide building design services for all residential, commercial and industrial projects. Initially, we'll need to understand your site conditions and site constraints, especially the environmental issues relating to your property. This is known by obtaining a 10.7 planning certificate from your local council. We'll need that provided to us, as well as what you're trying to achieve, and then we'll be able to properly provide you with a fixed building design and approval package fee. Providing plans is a portion of the services that we provide. As accredited building designers, we can help you to understand your project better through our stages from start to finish. We usually get approached by certain clients that have already obtained some plans by their local draftsperson. It is always best to understand your project before getting any plans done, but we are happy to provide a consultation fee to help guide you to the next stage. If you've originally obtained your approval through your local council, through a development application, which is short DA, then you'll need to obtain the construction certificate approval, short CC. Once that's obtained, then you may commence works on site subject to council conditions. Alternatively, if you've obtained your approval through a private certifier via a compliant development certificate, short CDC, then you may commence works on site once that's issued, subject to your private certifier's conditions. We get approached by certain clients that are wanting to enhance the feel of their home and certain clients that wish to add value to their property. We can provide both as accredited building designers and interior designers. We can set up an on-site consultation to help you understand the scopes of works involved for the project you had in mind. The average time frame from concept design to CDC approval through a private certifier is about 4 to 6 weeks. As soon as we understand the requirements of your site, it will help guide you to understand the process from start to finish. We'll need to conduct an on-site consultation to better understand what your requirements are, as well as your budget. Conducting an on-site consultation would help us to explain the process involved from concept design to approval, as well as construction.